Hi lovely people, my name is Chef Ron here at the 7-Star Culinary Institute and welcome to Flavor Box. Let's find out what we are making today. Ooh, one of my favorite finger-licking chicken lollipops with a side of French fries. Let's make this gorgeous, gorgeous meal. All right, let's go. Salt in. Nice distribution. So we have our oil, about a liter in that pot, and then we have our fries cut into beautiful batonetto. So we put a little bit of salt onto them there. I love to do this because it gets them nicely coated before we fry. And then some garam, nice, some paprika, nice, get them started there. So we go into the fryer. You've got to be careful doing this. I would say if you can, step back. Not forgetting that we have got again to season them. So garam in there, just coat them beautifully. Some little bit of salt, some cumin powder there, some paprika. So just give it a light toss, get your hands in there and dip it right into that flour, holding just the bone. From the flour, the dip, go into the egg wash, coat them all through, and then into the breadcrumb. Our wings are nicely coated with flour, egg wash, and breadcrumb. You want to have an equal distribution of that breadcrumb right there. Then we go straight into the fryer. The chicken that you're going to fry has already been cooked in the inside, so you don't need a lot of time on the fryer. I'll go in with my wings. There we go. So we have our chicken lollipops nicely golden brown on top, soft in the inside. After that, awesome cooking. Now on the side, I have a tomato. I have my nice sweet ketchup on the side. There we go. Let's go in. Oh my God.